Hi everyone, my name is Marian, your technology friend. Today, we're going to take a look at this MagSafe Car Charger. We're going to unbox it, take a closer look at its details, and finally review it. Are you ready? Alright, let's do it. By the way, if you're a part of the 92% who are not yet subscribed and you like Apple content just like this, please consider subscribing as it helps me grow and sustain the channel. Now, on to the unboxing. Alright, so here is the box of the MagSafe wireless car charger. It's a pretty simple box. Here's the back. It even has a writing there, so it's not the fanciest box in the world. Let's try to open it now. Alright, let's open that. Oh, that's actually some pretty cheap type of plastic. And oh, there are some accessories at the back. It's really not the best unboxing experience, but here we go. We have a USB-A to USB-C. If you look at that, USB-A, USB-C. Oh, it even has that purple tip, which I'm not sure if that's quick charge or a proprietary technology of the Chinese phone companies that have the very, very fast charging. So that we have a USB-A, USB-C. We have, I believe, the ball joint for the wireless charger itself. Let's take a closer look at that later on. And we have some warranty papers as well as the quality check certificate approval. So let's put that to the side. Let's actually put this very bad type of plastic here at the side. And we have here, it is the MagSafe wireless charger, and it actually looks and feels very nice, very well made. So yeah, like I said, this is the bolt. Let's put this on the side too, as well as USB-A. Like I said, we have the ball joint right here, and I believe it goes right in here. Just push it down, there you go. And I believe when you want to tighten this ball joint, just gotta screw it here at the back. So now let's take a closer look at this wireless charger itself. Like I said, the build quality, very nice. It has this soft touch plastic here at the front. It's made of machined aluminum, and it has this really nice chamfered edges right here that gives it a little bit of a premium look. And then here at the bottom, we could see that there is the USB-C port, and I think it's gonna be a LED indicator light to know that it is charging. If you want to see the specs, we could zoom in right here. So there's the details right there. It's called the Magnetic Wireless Car Charger. Doesn't really have a brand name. It's model X16. Input is 18 watts or 12 watts, and the output, it could output 15 watts. I don't know if it's outputting 15 watts for the iPhone. I know that these type of chargers, they input 15 watts for the Android phones that can do that. It has 10 watts, 7.5 watts, which iPhones can do, and also the very, very slow 5 watts right there. So there you go. That is the unboxing of this car charger. Very simple. Before I go to the review, I would like to let you know about my Buy Me a Coffee page. If you like the content I'm putting out, please consider tipping or buying me a coffee to show your appreciation. It will really make me feel inspired to do more videos like this, so I really appreciate those who can spare me a few bucks. Now, on to the review. To keep this short and sweet, I wholeheartedly recommend this product. I think it's really that good. First off, the build quality is high quality. It is made of aluminum. It has these chamfered edges that gives it a little bit of a premium look. The face of it is made of this soft touch plastic to keep your phone from being scratched when you put it on. Even the clip, it has these rubber panels to keep your card from being scratched as well. Second, its usability is also a big win for me. The strength of its magnet is very strong. My phone never fell from the 2 weeks I've been using this MagSafe car charger, and I do not foresee my phone ever falling. I'm that confident. Also, when you stick your phone to the car charger, it triggers the MagSafe charging animation, so even though it is a generic, non-official Apple product, they managed to make this go off, which is really fun and adds to the experience. Now, I couldn't tell if it's charging the iPhone 12 mini at its maximum of 12 watts and 15 watts for the other iPhone 12 models because I don't have the equipment to measure, but I am satisfied with its charging speed.
Just don't expect power delivery fast charging on this one. And also, I'm not the biggest fan of wireless charging because it generates a lot of heat. But because this goes directly on your car's air vent, it does not heat your phone as long as you're turning on your AC, of course. And that actually segues us to its drawbacks. Because it latches to your car's air vent, it has to block one of them, and it could result to having a hotter experience in your car. For me, it's not much of an issue because there are two air vents facing the driver's side, and I just have to turn it up a notch so there's more air blowing. Additionally, if your car's air vents are a special kind that this clip could not attach to, there's just no way of sticking this car charger, unless you can get creative. And finally, the last drawback I can see with this product is the tightening of the ball joint at the back. I really had to tighten it very well so the weight of the phone doesn't pull the charger down. Now, my phone is just an iPhone 12 mini. I think this is going to be even harder for big and heavy phones like the iPhone 12 Pro Max, which is a surfboard and made of stainless steel. Also, screwing too tight can damage the ball joint and may result to it not being tightened again. And lastly, price and value. So I bought this from Shopee, which, by the way, link in the description if you want to buy it, for 631 pesos with discounts, which is about $13 to $14 for my international audience. Even for a Filipino whose currency is not that strong, I really think this has an amazing value. For my use case, there really isn't a big drawback, and I've been happily using it for 2 weeks now. So conclusion, I really recommend this product. Okay, so there you go. Thank you guys for watching. Shout out to James for following me on Instagram. And if you guys want a shout out as well, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and follow me on my 3 channels, Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook with the username @Mauyoni. Other than that, if you want to know more about the newest iPhones, I've done many videos about it. You can click on this playlist right here and find a video that you may like. So that's it. This has been Marian, your technology friend, and I'll see you in the next video. By the way, I have a new set right here. It's not really a set, but it's just like where I edit my videos, just my workstation. But finally, I'm not in front of my bed wherein I have to clean and like prepare every time I shoot videos. And now I just sit here and do this and talk. Thanks for watching, guys.